Good afternoon, Dave from Met. Just going to quickly show you a little update we have put on our website. This is for our agents and, well, anyone else who wants to use it. We were quite exhausted with data logging tools and looking at data logs and stuff, and we just wanted something that worked and it was very easy. We didn't have to fill out loads of forms and stuff like that. So we put together METLog. It's free to use for anyone. We don't collect any data. We don't store any data. And I'll just quickly show you how it works. Take a couple of seconds. So if you go to our website, mobileecotuning.com, this is us. Top right, METLog, free tool, Met Viewer. Go down, simply drag your CSV. As you can see on the screen straight away, you got your CSV. So what we've done different about this, so we have got preset, boost, Lambda, airflow, engine speed, fuel rails, thermo control, so your temperatures, your engine timing, DPF and exhaust for the diagnostics technician, or you can create your own. So we're going to go to boost control. On the bottom right here, this panel, we've actually created a quick and easy deviation viewer. So if you've got under boost or if you've got under fuel pressure, this will automatically pick out which has the capability to display a deviation PID. Say if you've got a vehicle that shows and boost pressure specified, it will automatically show here. And as you can see on this, I think it's a VW Caddy, at 4,200 RPM, we have 10% under boost, 4% over boost, indicated by the up arrow that you see. As you can see, it turns orange and green depending. You can go into the fueling, you can look at the fueling. We can insert a new project straight off. Click a new one, M140i. Again, we look at the boost control on this M140i. As you can see, we've got 28% pressure deviation as it goes through. Have a look at the Lambda, have a look at the airflow and the MAF. As you can see, the MAF, we've also got a massive deviation. This will be down to airflow. Or we can simply uncheck what we want. So we just want to see engine speed and boost pressure set point 2. As you can see, it's very easy, very quick, and we've designed it for the not so professional users so they can have a look at their boost pressures and stuff like that. So mobileecotuning.com, METLog, check it out. Thank you very much.